In the last video, we logged into the dashboard. Now I'm going to show you how to add a product easily, and we're going to do it under 2 minutes. So first of all, we look for where it says products, which is right on the side here, and we click it. Upon clicking it, we would see a variety of products that we have added. We have just added sample products for you. So you can simply delete that by selecting this button, coming into bulk actions, and clicking move to trash. Upon application, by clicking the apply button, it will be moved to trash. And now you are ready to add products anew. So we can click the add new button, which will bring up a screen to add a product. And I'm going to do it for you in, let's say, under a minute. So we're going to add the product title. So we're going to add sample product. In this block here, it is not necessary, but you could add specifications or about the product that the customer may find useful. If we scroll down, you can add a price. We're going to put 200. If the product is virtual, you can just click this button, such as music. If the product is downloadable, such as a PDF, you can click this button. If it's a physical product, you can leave everything as is and scroll to the bottom. The product short description should just be a few lines to entice the customer about the product, to make them buy. It's more of an about the product than anything else. This is not necessary, but it is a very good thing to add. We're going to come on the bottom here and we're going to add a product image. The product image is the first image the customer would see of the product, and you can add other images to the product gallery. This would happen. The customer would see these products images when they click on the product to view more. If we scroll up, we can ignore these things here. The product category, however, is useful. For you, you might have a variety of categories. If you are a hardware, you might have steel, lumber, bricks. If you're a clothing company, you might have men's clothes, children's clothes, jeans, shirts. All of that would be listed here on your end, and you can simply add a new one by clicking the add new, or you can just select the category you want to add it to. For now, we're just gonna click all, and we're gonna press publish. And congratulations, your product is now live on the website for persons to purchase. And if I click the link, you can see it shows up here. You would see the product name, the price, about the product, the image, all other images that they can click, and of course the description, such as the specifications. That is, in essence, how to easily add a product and have it on your site. As you can see, persons can already add it to cart and make such purchases. And if we click the all products button right here, you would see the product is listed on the website and it is in stock. If you would like to learn more about the products, our more advanced videos are on our website. However, this is simply to get you started.